In this video, we will walk you through how to get free energy on the Temu app without needing to invite any friends. Open the Temu app and head to the Earn section. Navigate to the Surveys area. Answer basic questions in available service to earn free energy quickly and easily. Another simple way to earn energy is by watching ads. Ads typically last for 30 seconds. There's no limit on how many ads you can watch daily. So the more you watch, the more energy you earn. Temu offers daily promotional codes and coupons. This can sometimes be redeemed for free energy or bonus rewards. Check the promotions tab regularly for the latest codes. Temu features multiple games under its Fishland and other mini games sections. Some games require energy to play, but larger games often reward you with additional energy. Prioritize games that offer the best return on energy used. Temu rewards regular usage. The longer and more frequently you use the app, the more bonus energy and opportunities you'll receive over time. And that's how to get free energy on Temu without inviting friends. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.